New Brunswick is a land of verdant forests, abundant rivers, fishing hamlets, and stately cities. Throughout history, the province's natural beauty attracted people from all corners of the earth. This summer, I traveled around the province, interviewing those who call New Brunswick home. We talked about the need for respect and celebration of the province's linguistic communities.
As you know, I'm the mayor of St.Andrews, and I'm also director on Dialogue New Brunswick, and it's a pleasure to be able to be connected with Dialogue. St.Andrews is a town that's well known in New Brunswick. It's an exciting place to be, especially in the summer when we have all of the activities going full tilt. The downtown is busy, the people are out on the water. When you have a dialogue, it means that you're communicating with people. And when I think of dialogue, and I think of Dialogue New Brunswick specifically, and the fact that it celebrates the two cultures that we have in the province, it's like having a family. When you come to New Brunswick and you become a resident in New Brunswick, you really encompass everyone who's here in New Brunswick, and there's a responsibility in that. And the responsibility is to get to know who your neighbors are. And the fact that some of them are Anglophone and some of them are Francophone, in many ways is special, because it means that you have to be able to understand both cultures. In fact, there's many cultures in New Brunswick, not just two. In St. Andrews, we're mostly Anglophone, although there is a fairly large Francophone population. We look to the north to see the rest of the province, and we know that to be part of the province and to be responsible residents of the province, we have to have a dialogue that includes everyone. Well, St. Andrews as a resort community, it's like putting on your best clothes and being on your best behavior day in, day out, because you're welcoming people from across New Brunswick, from across Canada, and from many other places in the world. And that open attitude, that ability to welcome people is really, really important. You know, it's not just the two language communities, because when you think of other places in Canada, there are often many communities that exist within an area. The difference, I think, though, in New Brunswick is that we make it official. We are different. We're the only bilingual province in Canada. And that's both a recognition, but also a responsibility. And it's a responsibility that is built on respect. And it's a conscious responsibility. And when you work that responsibility through and realize that there are obligations to everyone in the province, then that builds a strength. And I think it's a unique strength that we have here when I think of New Brunswick compared to anywhere else, or any other province or any other city in Canada. It's different.